Hello there, let's take a brief look now at the weather forecast across North America as we head through the next few days. So we'll begin with a pressure chart. There's a developing area of low pressure across the plains that's all going to push further northwards and eastwards, bringing some heavy rain for many and the small chance of a few severe thunderstorms, but nothing too dramatic to come in this forecast. It has, of course, been very wet across parts of Florida. As much as 207 millimetres of rainfall recorded in Miami International between Monday and Thursday. The showers have largely cleared many parts of Florida, but we are going to see some more rain just edge into the Carolinas, perhaps into Georgia, again into the start of the new week. Let's take a look out towards the west coast. There's a deepening area of low pressure that's going to push into parts of British Columbia, perhaps as we head through the start of the week. Again, the heat has eased a little here. It's all pushing further eastwards across Canada. Still the risk of some wildfires and poor air quality across Alberta in particular. For California, it's largely dry. The sunshine continues. Here are the temperatures, first in Fahrenheit and again in Celsius. So a few showers across parts of the Canadian Maritimes there, but largely dry through southeast Canada and down through much of this east coast. But we will be seeing that rain just lap on shore again over the next few days. Also mostly dry now, still a few showers across parts of Florida, and it's largely dry too further west. Here's the outlook for some of our cities as we head through into Monday. Hello there, let's take a brief look now at the weather forecast for South and Central America as we head through the next few days. So we'll begin with the continent of South America. Here's the pressure chart. You can see a lot of very heavy rain out towards the northwest as we'd expect to see at this time of year. Another area of low pressure. Again, nothing particularly unusual here approaching the far south of Chile. Across many parts of Argentina, it is now looking largely dry. The heat has been building back here again across Paraguay as well, 29 degrees Celsius in Asunción. Now, Western Colombia seeing some very heavy rain. Again, nothing unusual, but we could get as much as 500 millimetres of rainfall perhaps as we head through the next 5 days or so. Also for parts of Panama. Meanwhile, across the Amazon region of Brazil, then very low humidity could lead to some wildfires potentially. That heavy rain pushing into the far south of Chile. As we can see, here's the outlook for some of our cities. So temperatures dropping away and then rising again in Sao Paulo. The sunshine set to continue in Buenos Aires. Let's move further north towards Central America. Now we find the tropical storm Mario has dissipated, but still some heavy rain across southern areas of Mexico into Guatemala as well, as much as 200 millimetres of rainfall over the next week, perhaps in some of the wettest spots. More sunshine and showers across many parts of the Caribbean, with a small chance for a tropical cyclone developing around Cape Verde over the next week or so. Bye for now.